Hello, I'm Anand Tamariya. Today I'm going to present to you my vision of Plan 9 as the Infinity Notebook. I'll start with something for the beginners to Plan 9, something that Plan 9 community takes for granted. Graphics or games in a virtual terminal. This is to showcase and to remind you that the constructs that we have are all created by us and therefore can also be removed by us. If you use more than two applications on a computer, you'll see common use cases repeated across them. More so if they are text based applications. For example, the first one would be cut, copy, and paste. Plan 9 provides you mouse cording for that. I have implemented cording for that. People might have different preferences, but you do you. Next is find. You can select a piece of text and then press Ctrl F to find another occurrence. Use Ctrl R for reverse search. If you don't have the text on the screen right in front, you can also use the menu bar to do the same. Next is replace. If you're an expert computer user, you might be able to use regex, but for simple usage, I think multiple cursor comes in handy. Next is undo and redo. If you're editing text, you will make mistakes, but you can always undo it. Next is scroll and navigation. I'm more used to using the arrow keys for going up and down the line rather than use it for scrolling. But at the same time, I would like, yeah, you know, scroll keys like up and page down to work as expected. So control home should take you to the top and end control end to the bottom, whereas page up and page down works by page. To open a file, you can use the menu bar and select. If you make changes to the file, you can simply save it as well. Next is location history. You can use fuzzy search here. Similarly, you can use command history with fuzzy search. When you're managing multiple files or working during a session, you'd like to switch between files at particular locations. So you can use quick bookmarks in this case. Use Ctrl Shift and the number key to set a bookmark, and then just Ctrl and the number key to switch to that bookmark. Now let's look at autocomplete. There are times when you don't remember the command name or the command name is too long, especially cases like aux this or auth this or net this. In these cases, autocomplete comes in handy. And if you are just editing text and it's not a command prompt, then you can change to text mode, and autocomplete uses words dictionary in the lib directory. Next is media mode. For this, I'll use a pre-recorded video. What's life without music? Hello. In this video, we will look at playing music in Plan 9. The media player in Plan 9 is called Zook. Let's look at some common use cases. First, you have a file in the current directory. Second, you have a URL for an internet radio. Third, you maybe remember a file located in some directory. Let's find it out. Next, possibly you want to play some files in a directory. Or you want to play files in a particular order. Let's arrange the files in my order of interest. Now a quick note about the controls in the application. You use greater than sign for next, less than sign for previous, P for play and pause. So how does all of this work? The key to this is the plumber. Once you understand this, you can create your own scripting interface for the media player, or you can create even a graphical user interface. my favorite is the media mode. When you're in the middle of something and you still want to control the media player, you can use this. Make shuffle, repeat, erase, play, and the best part, this works exactly the same even if the media player is running on a remote computer because Plan 9 is network transparent. That's all for this video. Thanks. Also have a pre-recorded video for debug mode. Hello, in this video we will look at debugging with ACID on Plan 9. ACID is the debugger on Plan 9. Let's debug ls command. Now in the debug mode, you'll have access to a few buttons for easier debug. Let's place a breakpoint. Then we will continue to the breakpoint. Let's step into it. Let's do a stack trace. We'll step out. We will look at the variable values. For that, we have to restart the program again. Now, when you place the cursor on the variable, you will see the variable value. Let's check for a few other variables. Finally, we will quit the session. That's all for this video. Thanks. Plan 9 now also supports printing through network printer. Here is a demo. Hello, in this video we will look at printing in Plan 9. We will be using Internet Printing Protocol for this. So the command is IPP, the IP address of the printer, and the document to be printed. Let's print some text first. Next, we will print the image of this window. This takes some time. Now let's look at the internals of this printing process. This last line sends a URF image to the printer via HTTP. This URF image is generated by Ghost script. Here. But the Ghost script needs a PDF file, so we use LP to generate the PDF file. That's all for this video. Thanks. And if you like syntax highlight, you have this text color implementation, which you can use as a base for developing your solution. There are many other features that I have developed over a period of time, which you would like to use, like changing wallpaper by writing to the dev screen file or Wi-Fi protected setup. There's also audio video pipeline, UPnP server. You can use RTSP streaming or RTMP for streaming to YouTube or Twitch. Then there's time-based OTP, which uses factotum for storing your DOTP secret. You can find more of these in my blog. The link is here. That's all for today. Thanks.